What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know we back with another one. Bang, bang, baby. And today's treat, we looking at the Ochre yellow Air Jordan 1s, man. From that MVP pack, man, that Jordan brand dropped a couple of weeks ago, man. Out of that entire collection, this yellow thing was a must cop for me. These are my high school colors, man. You know what I'm saying? King College Prep, y'all know I copped that, MLK Supreme hoodie early in the season, man. These are no different. Shout out to your boy, Joseph, man. Local sneakerhead in Chicago. He definitely looked out, on me, for me on these things. If you want to raffle at sneakers and stuff, man. So these things are straight from sneakers and stuff overseas. I'm lucky. Got a great price on them. Happy to have them. You know what I'm saying? We gonna go ahead and get into, a quick little review, man. By now you all have seen a bunch of these, definitely, with the buttery suede, kind of going around, the back panels of it, the buttery suede swoosh, we got, the gold laces that match, the actual buttery suede, and that gold color that's on the, underneath the shoe, on the side panels perfectly. Gold Nike Air, black toe, steez, black toe steez with the, black toe box going around with the white, toe box happening right there. Black tongue, really quick, dope sneaker, man. Had to have it. I think this is definitely the best color out of that entire pack. I mean, there's only so many black and red Jordans, white and red Jordans you can have. The Blue Moons, if you didn't get a pair of those fragment Jordan 1s, I definitely think that was a great, dope alternative, for those, but it wasn't necessarily a must-have. And those clay greens, them things were fire too, man. Those had to be a close second. I mean, your boy Q the Flu does have those as well. But out of that entire pack, man, we talking about uniqueness, just style, wearability, things you can do with them. I think these boys right here are definitely the way to go. Man, y'all let me know, y'all let me know in that comment box, man, how y'all feel about these things right here. We're not even gonna take these to the Supreme table today, because y'all done seen these a few times. Like I just gave y'all the rundown and details. Let me not leave one out. These were, fashion, after these were kind of dedicated to all the MVP awards that Jordan, won over the course of his career. 5 in total. You see that MVP and the and I'll try to pull this out. You see that MVP, the card that was given, right there, on the footbed, man. And they got all of the dates, all of the years of his MVP. So 88, 91, 92, 96, and 98, man. Right on there on the top of that thing. I think that was definitely a dope touch. But, that's it, man. These are dope, man. Let me go ahead, get that on feet cracking for you. Let's get it. Gang, Cool Gang TV. Alright, and we back, man. So, hope y'all enjoyed that on feet. You know what I'm saying? You loving what I'm doing. Make sure you keeping that support going. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Flu Gang TV, baby. Flu Gang Nation. We growing. You know what I'm saying? And you already know how we rocking, baby. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, gang. Gang, gang, gang. Gang. And we out.